Come on.
What did you say?
You did a great job.
Is that what you said when my ears were under the water?
I said, come on. I said, you can do it. Do it again. There she goes. Good job.
Is that what you said when my ears are under the water?
I did.